Today, guys, we are going to make our ginger beer. Ginger beer is Sierra Leone drink. But in English, we call it ginger juice.
Ginger juice.
Ginger juice. We'll make it. We'll add some lemon inside.
Yes. We'll blend the ginger.
Lime or lemon. Lime.
The small ones are the ones.
Guys, how do you call it? Lime?
Comment down below. The small and the big one, how do you call them?
It's lime.
The small is the lime and then the big one is the
lemon. Okay, comment.
Comment, please.
So, first of all, we're going to clean the ginger.
Remove some skin.
Yes, we are not going to remove all the skins. So I'll speak my language also.
Excuse
me for that.
But don't worry, we write down. We understand slow.
Yes.
Excuse me for that.
That's me. I'm not going to clean this ginger, but because it's hot, you burn your hand. So only off. It will burn you, okay? It will burn you like pepper. You don't like pepper, right?
This one is like pepper.
So now
I just have to touch no more thing.
We are going to remove the skin, not everything. Then after that we blend it with some spice.
Pepper and cloves.
Cloves.
When we put cloves in.
Of course. I'll blend it to the cloves. Then after you finish again, put the cloves inside the juice.
And it's a red pepper.
Yeah, you blend the pepper with it.
It's this drink is for people who are sick, who have cold.
Not sick, not for that. This one is like our I call it
traditional drink.
Traditional. They use it for wedding. We use this for wedding like appetizer. Like when after the wedding, when you go for the reception, people will stand on
chilling. Like how Ghanaians used to do.
On the road. Then they will give people to drink. Like appetizer. It's nice. So it's like our traditional drink.
Just to chill your heart.
Yes, to chill it.
Like how Sobolo is meant for Ghanaians.
So that's me. This is our drink, Sierra Leone drink.
But mommy, people that won't sick today, the drink can go and get cold. For cold.
Not only for cold. Ginger is nice for your system. Not only for cold. The one we use for cold, they put the ginger. You don't put too much sugar inside. The ginger, you see what I do before? When I put ginger, I'll make sure the ginger is hot. That it should not be too sweet, it should not sweet, it should not be too strong. The ginger is not very hot. It's very nice for the cold, but it's not for the cold purposely, it's for that. It's good for your system, ginger, it's good for everything. It's clean your system.
Yeah.
Good for your inside your stomach for women. It's good, it's nice.
For women.
It's nice. That's why ginger is good.
Good?
Ginger is very good. ginger, I don't clean am, I don't wash am. I dey cut am so the blend go easy. Because when it be big, it go difficult for the blender to blend am. The way cut am. Now let's go blend, okay? I'm gonna blend the ginger beer. Ginger juice. So guys, now they put the ginger. So I put the pepper. Then I put the cloves. I don't know for collab and Creole, no, I don't forget. So what was they are like tell me the name for the Creole, I don't know. Then I put small water. I cover them on them. So I dey blend am 210 for now remove everything from the ginger. First I dey shift out this big shifter. If you want use a glove because this is hot. As for me, I dey use me like this. Water backla blender again. And now the shifter again with the small shifter. They all they use for shifter rest flour out.
Rest flour?
So you see, like this is easy for it for shifter. If you use the big one after we're done, a shifter again with the small, the shifter fine. I don't done the ginger now. They go put the sugar with the lemon inside with some the cloves inside.
Mommy, I can pour the sweet sugar, and you can pour the lemon.
Okay, you pour everything, then you mix, okay?
Now I'm going to put the sugar.
Don't put all, okay?
I do not put too much.
Put up. And tell the viewer they can put as much as they can. Any amount you want, eh?
Any amount you can.
So any amount we want now for put. Now me princess said that you want to make the video, so let go. So no, mix them first. Yes. Yasmin, mix it first. Okay, mix them. Mix them until all things disappear.
Mix them all to disappear.
All the sugar gets melt.
All the sugar gets melted.
So now get for mix and when they mix until everything melt, the sugar all melt. Then for the taste, I mean know if they are the level of the sugar, the amount we want. For taster. Then for taster. So now take the spoon and taste. So Yasmin, taste.
I can't taste it.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
It's hot. I shall taste and let's see the sugar. But taste the thing, ginger fine. It's not hot safe, eh? Okay, add the sugar again, add small. I be don't taste so I see. No, it do so. You want pass marker? They mix. Yasmin mix the mix. I shall mix the thing for the pikin. Yasmin, okay, put the lemon.
The lamb?
Wait, not all. Then the boku. Put. Okay, do so. So the lemon they put like half cup lemon inside. You don't need too much lemon. If you want boku lemon, okay, that's what it is. But it's okay. If you want boku lemon inside, okay. But you know, they not take the taste of the ginger. So you get for take it time. Put the cloves inside. Not put the water for now. This moment you put the gloves. Good. And mix it. The gloves also is hot. It makes the ginger also hot. They give it nice smell. The smell, the smell is nice.
Let me test for the lime. Now it's okay.
That's why when you put the lime, it balance the yes, it balances the hotness.
Oh, maybe go out to more sugar.
You need more sugar. Okay.
Guys, we are done.
If you like
This video, don't forget to subscribe,
like, share,
and comment.
So we love you.
The ingredients are in the description box.
Yeah, in that description box.
You can go check on there. Don't forget to share the video.
And like.
Yes. If you think that this one will help for other people there as well, share to your friends there. Maybe you're not going to let them, but another person will let them. So.
If you don't even like us,
It's my mother's voice.
and I am the
She's the cameraman.
the camera,
Photographer.
not a photo.
Video shooter. No. Director. She's the director.
She's a director.
Yes.
Awesome.
So don't forget to try this recipe. Very easy.
Yes, this
Recipe
one.
to try at home.
You can try it at home.
Very
Just
hot.
drink it. It's very hot.
It's good. Ginger is good, but
It's good for
the
your-
taste of the lime balance the hotness.
Yes.
But ginger and lime is a good. Even is a. Do you know that is a reduce fat, waist loss.
And you can drink this medicine for weight
You can.
loss.
You can drink it. Lime and ginger is very nice.
Lime and ginger is.
But if you want to do that, you should not put too much sugar. Either you use
If you want
honey.
to learn how to do it, please comment in the description.
Yes, how to use the. Okay, guys, please. Even if you don't love us,
Love us by force.
other people can love us. No, other people can love us. Maybe if you share that video, other people can love us, and the person can appreciate what he did. And we also will appreciate. God will bless you.
Thanks so much for watching this long video.
And subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
Bye. Wait, first. We have family channel, the Jumale family.
But now we are not focused on it, so
But we
please.
have videos there. Two. You can go
Two.
watch.
Only who are two.
Yeah, don't watch.
Okay then.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
I'm the cameraman, so.
Facebook.
The Mom and Kids Kitchen on Facebook.
Yeah, Mom and Kids.
Yeah, Mom and Kids Kitchen.
Bye.